Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Maitreya continued, "My dear sinless Vidur, Lord Vishnu is actually the enjoyer of the results of all sacrifices. Yet because of his being the supersoul of all living entities, he was satisfied simply with his share of the sacrificial offerings. He therefore addressed Daksha in a pleasing attitude. In Bhagavad Gita it is said, Bhoktaram Yagya Tapasam. Lord Vishnu, or Krishna, is the supreme enjoyer of all the results of sacrifices, austerities and penances. In whatever one may engage, the ultimate goal is Vishnu. If a person does not know that, he is misled. As the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Vishnu has nothing to demand from anyone. He is self-satisfied, self-sufficient, but he accepts the offerings of yagya because of his friendly attitude toward all living entities. When his share of the sacrificial results was offered to him, he appeared very pleased. It is said in Bhagavad Gita, Patram pushpam phalam toyam yomi bhaktya prayachati. If any devotee offers him even a small leaf, or a flower or water, if it is offered with love and affection, the Lord accepts it and is pleased. Although he is self-sufficient and does not need anything from anyone, he accepts such offerings because, as Supersoul, he has such a friendly attitude toward all living entities. Another point here is that he does not encroach upon another's share. Then the yagya, there is a share for the demigods, Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma, and a share for Lord Vishnu. He is satisfied with his own share and does not encroach upon others. Indirectly, he indicated that he was not satisfied with Daksha's trying to deny Lord Shiva his share. Maitreya addressed Vidur as sinless because Vidura was a pure Vaishnav and never committed any offence to any demigod. Although Vaishnavas accept Lord Vishnu as the supreme, they are not prone to offend demigods. They give the demigods proper respect. Vaishnavas accept Lord Shiva as the best Vaishnav. For a Vaishnav, there is no possibility of offending any demigods, and the demigods are also pleased with the Vaishnav because they are faultless devotees of Lord Vishnu.